उत्तर गोंयांत मध्यराती जावपी घरफोडींचो पर्वरी पुलिशेन पर्दाफाश केलो। ह्या प्रकरणात पुलिशेन मुख्य आरोपी बाणावलेचो मारिया सांताना बाप्तिस्ता तशेंच मोहम्मद सुफियान हांकां अटक केली। फाटल्या कांय म्हयन्यां सावन हे दोगूय चोर राज्यभायर मास्क घालून लोकांची घरां फोडटाले। अटक केल्ल्या मदीं मारिया बाप्तिस्ता हो नावाडगो चोर जाल्यार मोहम्मद सुफियान हो कॉलेजीचो विद्यार्थी अशी माहिती उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक अक्षत कौशल हांणी दिली।
That there was an organized gang of thieves which was continuously committing house thefts at night. This group was seen committing thefts in the early hours of morning, and these thefts were being committed in a very organized manner, resulted in leaving very little evidence. We were, however, able to see that one person was seen in most of the CCTV footage which we were receiving, and in that CCTV footage we could see that there was one person who was committing these thefts wearing a mask. Number of teams had been formed in Porvorim Police Station, in Panjim Police Station, in other police stations also where similar thefts had been committed. Teams were continuously working on trying to identify who were the people behind these crimes, and we are very glad to share with you that because of this hard work we have finally achieved a major success where the team of Porvorim Police Station was able to identify and subsequently arrest the main accused in this case. This accused has been identified as one Mr. Maria Santana Baptista. His full details are he is son of Pedro Antonio Baptista. His age is 44 years old. He is a resident of Peda Grande, Benolim. The other accused who has been identified is one Mr. Mohammad Sufyan. He is son of Rashid. He is 20 years old. He is a resident of Navalim, Madgaon, Goa. Presently, he is a first year student of BCom. Both these persons have been placed under arrest. Other than these two persons, we have also we've been questioning other people who've been involved in this crime, and we've identified two people who are believed to have been receivers of this stolen property.